Hello guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa offline EBIR forms package V7.9.4.2. So ngayon ay October 24, 2024. So magpa-file tayo ng BIR form 2551Q. So lalagay ko dito ang aking TIN number. Kasi isi-select ko kung anong RDO ko, kung saan ako naka-registered. So automatic na siyang nag-filled out ng details since naka-save na siya. So dito double check nyo na rin yung mga form, tapos tama naman. So dito naman i-click ko yung aking form na hahanapin. So hanapin ko pababa. Ang ipa-file ko ay 2551Q. 2551Q. Ayun. So may mga last filing na akong nakasave. So ngayon ang ipa-file ko is third quarter. So i-click ko tong fill up. Okay lang natin yan. Tapos hintayin natin siya habang naglo-loading. So ayan guys, ito na yung form. Bali, kiklik natin tong calendar. Since ako ay isang individual taxpayer, kasi pagka fiscal pang corporation daw yun. So click ko yung third quarter kasi for filing for July, August, September. So no lang to. Ayan, tama naman yung RDO, yung name ko, yung address, yung zip code, number, email, okay. Tapos no lang yan, yung tax relief. Tapos nandito tayo ngayon. Okay, kiklik lang natin tong next. So ilalagay natin dito yung income natin ng July, August, September. So income ko ay $70,922.57. So since non-VAT ako, example VAT 3% PT. So ito na, lumabas na yung tax ang babayaran ko is 2,127. Yan. Tapos back mo lang dito kung ayan. Okay. Tapos next. Pag okay na, i-validate na. Click validate natin. Validation successful. Click on if you wish to modify your entries. Kung mag-e-edit ka pa, okay. Okay naman na. Wala na tayong i-edit. So, click na natin yung next. Ay, yung save muna natin. Okay, tapos final copy. Submit na natin. Double check muna natin yung date para hindi tayo paulit-ulit. Yung date, importante kung anong filing date. Double project. December 2024, third quarter. Okay. Next. Final and submit. Please ensure that the internet have a valid email address indicating in your tax return. Kailangan yung natin, email address active yun para ma-receive natin yung confirmation. Are you sure you want to submit? Okay. Thank you for using EBIR forms. By clicking OK button, you confirm that you have read, understood, and agreed to the SOA. The full BIR form can be accessed here. So, dito pag click mo yan. Ayan yung terms and agreement, description of service, nurse users, use of BIR software, update BIR package, taxpayer obligation, security obligation, legal obligation, payment obligation, accredited tax agent obligation, security obligation, legal obligation, payment obligation, yung disclaimer, BIR provide offline BIR form package is an alternative mode of filing tax return. The content of the package provided as a basis and without any express or implied warranties. So the BIR does not warrant that the service will be uninterrupted, free from inaccuracies, errors, viruses, and harmful components. Okay. In the configuration or with the hardware of the software you use. So the BIR is not liable, responsible for any damages, expenses, cost, or loss of any kind, including but not limited to any direct, indirect, special, incident, or consequential damages, financial losses, loss of profits, loss of any data, loss of opportunity, cost as a result, directly or indirectly, of in the connection with your use of service, including download or use of services or reliance of any information, material, tools provided and available from this site. So the capacity to accept terms of and conditions. So click agree lang natin to dito. So okay, click natin yung okay. Kailangan malakas yung ating internet connection para ma-read na okay yung filing natin, para ma-receive na ang BIR yung ating filing. Wait natin siyang mag-successful. O, ayan, nakita na natin, submit successful. A notification will be sent to your email. Okay? Please ensure that the said email address is correct. Then click your inbox, including your spam folder, in the few minutes for the email. So, print or save the email as evidence of e-filed return. So, note there will be some delays on email sending of confirmation. Please bear with us. So, okay, click okay. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung ating form. So, para magkaroon tayo ng copy nito, so, click natin yung print. This form is printed legal size paper. So, click okay lang natin to. So, click natin tong file. Print natin. Pag wala tayong printer, so, click lang natin tong print. Tapos, ipaprint natin yan. Kunwari. Si-save natin yung file na to ay is 2551Q third quarter. July. To July, August, September 2024. Page 2 kasi ito eh. Page 2. Double check nga natin kung na-save na natin. Sini-check ko po muna kung na-save ko yung file ko. So, kailangan mo ito is check. So, ayun nga. So, page 2 pa lang yung na-save natin. So, ayan. Kailangan nating ilagay sa page 1. Tapos, pag nalagay natin sa page 1, print natin to. Tapos, click print ulit. So, click natin yung kanina. So, yung ito, third quarter 2024, page 1 naman to. Ayan. So, sasave natin siya. Third quarter, July to September 2024. Kung wala tayong printer, saka natin ito ipaprint. Diba? Double check ko nga ulit kung nag-save. So, ayun. Makikita ko na ayun, nag-save na dito yung page 1. So, ayan. Tapos, okay na kung tapos na tayo, pwede na tayong cancel print. Tapos, punta tayo ulit sa main screen kung magpa-file tayo ulit, or pwede nating i-click na lang yung exit pag tapos na tayo.